I'm coming home. It's a holiday, America can't hold me now. Christmas a J.A., what a happy crowd. Where the dance them, they from country come a town. I'm coming home. It's a holiday, Britain can't hold me now. Christmas a J.A., what a happy crowd. Where the dance them, they from country come a town. Oh my God, that today are the year-to-year dance. So much love we showing. Christmas breeze is blowing. Nah, it won't be snowing. It's perfect.
Morning Vlog Nation, Jono. Tired of beat me bad. You see me? Tired of beat me bad. You just wake up literally. Watch out. 7:43. Normally me have to up from 7 o'clock. Jamir! After I see the live last night, and if I see me, yeah, my bun. Okay, man. I think I'm right, you know what that. You say you want waffles. After I see we do the live last night, I go so boom. I'm go up on the road, go to the gym straight. Then go to the gym, go watch a movie last night, man. Roger. And the movie that we saw was Jumanji, is it? Good enough movie. Then after that I got the gym people. So I go see Jumanji. And then after that I got the gym, is it? So tired. Go and brush your teeth, go on. Go bro. Just smell Jammer there now. You start brush your teeth?
Yeah, I'm already started to brush your teeth.
Jammer, yeah. Say good morning, bro.
Good morning.
Go and brush your teeth. So while I'm brushing your teeth, I'm making breakfast. I'm kinda late. But we're not late yet. Because 8:30 school can't feed me, see? But still wake up late. So you want waffles and eggs. So you give me waffles. Egg this morning. Tired. Got my bed after 3. Not even I'm gonna make no breakfast for myself till I drop him off at school, cause I don't know that's something they go. Thing right now, I'm gonna make him breakfast right now, plus in lunch, packing lunch to go to school. At least I gonna work from 6 o'clock. So I'm gonna give him 1 egg and some egg whites, you know? Kinda feed him like myself.
Milk smells nasty.
What make your mouth smell nasty?
Pup.
What?
Pup.
Man.
I didn't even put it in the bathroom.
So you can come in there, so we can walk in the kitchen with you. Go on here with yourself for us, so you. You want to smell bad?
Yeah, now.
Now see it's so clear now, so I don't mind things. Scrambled egg and waffles, cut up in waffle them. And you don't like them on one plate because you like when the sweet touch the boy eat weird. You don't want the sweet stuff to touch in egg because you're not going to eat it. You see? I love him to brush your teeth in the morning first. So give him a hang of what it's like for doing one thing. And then as soon as he eating food now, I give you that original brush there, you see it? Backside that one, the grounds out.
What was that?
Take out your seed, they want to have a seed night. Seed grape.
What, the grape?
Yeah, eat from it, please. This is a routine that I have to do with this youth every morning, is it? I like to make his lunch fresh. You see me? You see, have some grapes there, so. I don't like making breakfast, I like making packing lunch at night time and then he then in bag and then I fridge and get, especially when I make him a sandwich, in lunch then in bag and soggy. I don't like that. Fresh morning time for you. Eat up egg. Egg almost done, good job. 8 o'clock, come on. Eat up your waffles, eat up your waffles.
I'm gonna eat my food really fast like Flash.
Yeah, you do that, Let's go, bro. Then we're gonna brush your teeth and everything. You see? See water on that side, the youth?
Yeah.
Good job. You just for the breakfast? Stop stuffing out, man. Drink some water and eat the banana. Mommy, call me.
But
Go on.
not mine. No, that's
Which? Go on.
Oh yeah, you just attend to me in school.
I'm tired. Oh, you so tired more than me?
Huh?
Me there, man. I wake up a little bit late. Oh, you so tired?
After I sleep last night, I sleep, but I sleep like I sleep bad last night. I miss side that hurt me. Just after one,
I'm so tired too.
Nah, here, mommy. I break up. Hello? Mommy? Mommy?
boy.
I break up, man. What you say?
After 2, I got my bed.
Oh, I got my bed after 3, so we know that's something to go.
Tired.
Everybody tired this morning. Drink your tea, or water. Oh.
By your leg.
I need to tell you this morning. Oh, tired, man. Tired. Look, I not even get 4 hours sleep good last night.
On this side, I hurt me sleep, but on this side.
Dummy and my Santa.
Shut up, man. Yeah, I forgot to try to get some sleep in idea then, man. Because you can't do that, you know. Yeah.
Yeah, this will be the one please put up with me.
Oh.
But I don't want some marina for there last night.
Where, pa?
Walmart.
Oh.
You know, banana pants there.
Yeah, this is my buy me underpants and marina them, miss. Alright, here I go, mommy. Let me just finish get that youth ready and then call you back here.
Alright, darling.
Love you, look come on. So grandma say morning.
Good morning.
Morning, Jam, love you.
You see? You say love you too. Alright, later, I'm so call you back. I'm just getting ready.
Alright, you're good too.
No, I'm good.
Alright.
Look come on.
Guidance for the good.
Alright, thanks. Yo, this man for do that man time and my friend run on him down. You're late for school. Your friends are going to go inside left you. Come, let's go.
No.
I'm not ready though.
A duck, is a true hibernator. Or bears.
What?
True hibernator? Nah, that's it.
I want to get the man where they're from. But duck is a true hibernator.
This joking.
Bro, you're too smart for me, bro. That's good though, Jamir. Yo, man said ducks are true hibernators. Yo, trust me, this guy is 4 years old. Right, Jamir?
Yeah, and bears are true hibernators.
Yo, you know so much, bro.
Yeah.
That's so good. We're just 15 minutes late this morning. Not bad, given the fact of the time that we woke up, bro. But yeah.
He did this, right? He won. Oh my gosh, you're so fast! Oh, you're actually really fast.
Yeah. You know the thing working on. You're working on. Please, cold.
Oh, did you do it out? Because the last time I said, D really fast. Oh.
You're a bad influence on me, bro. You always tell me to drive too fast. You like when I drive fast?
Yeah, because every time he get late for school, that's why every time I say to do that and you don't do that.
That's his song. Goody. Let's do this, bro.
Daddy, does my song work?
It's a nice song. I danced to it, remember? Come, let's do this.
Yeah. I don't
Look
remember.
for the camera. Go on.
Bye, camera.
Back up in the place. I go home now. I'm gonna get my thing, you see? I'm gonna eat my food now. my egg and I call her something there. Why the wheel feel so stiff a while ago? Don't tell me say that sitting here and broke off again after me go fix it for much money. Go get rid of that car and the car. No, make it cost me, you know. More give you some old school cartel car. More while you know, I have a collection of old school teacher, you know. I want to hear what I go on and my thing. I'm up to date with the latest cartel. The latest cartel right now, I protect them. When I say yo in bun man we kill man we kill woman and child. So I'm updated to everything. 2019 no matter about. I'm coming home. It's a holiday, isn't it? So with that said, I also play some old school. I did not well the old school like mid school like in the late 2000 and 2000s, isn't it? Like mid 2000s I go play for. See one of me one. In the mid 2000s, isn't it? You feel like that, you know?
Me no love man, so take your yaya for me. If you see him, y'all try off on me. And a fight for the set when you fly off on me. And a drink she fight so she high off on me. Me turn up in a the dance, girl a wine off on me. Say me up in me give me my yaya. Me no use Viagra, me no buy your standing.
Hey.
Hear me now.
Yo, me have teacher for days. You know what? Hear me play this? You know what? Hear me play it? Me now go in it. It's time man here. Yo, new thing. This was gonna be with the gym. And then I'm a beard. This was gonna be a vlog about the gym, but me just catch our vibes with people. Me just catch our vibes. And me are gonna make you hear me VYBZ Kartel playlist. Like me have too much songs in my car right now. So I'm plug in my charger. Because this is gonna be a video. I'm just gonna edit it and shoot it up phone right now. So change our plan. You see how life is? Life is unforeseen. Life is changeable. Things just happen without your control. But sometimes happen for the good, sometimes for the worse. So now I'm gonna see my gym routine another time. Isn't me? Because one, I'm not sure if Raja go there at the gym, and two, this is a perfect video, bro. Yeah man, I hate Gaza. Watch out now. Some old school cartel. Listen to my playlist. No. Old school. What up this? Watch out now. I saw me go on my car.
When a man get body in the brain, how bright sunny day. I the king and every day me a rain. Every kind jokes we go straight.
New song. Yo.
I'm starting couple time never play a game. Then me have a reputation.
Alright then. New song.
Phone me done long time, my youth, but me love jewelry, so me still a wear chain. Run away a slave or run away a train, man, unstoppable like Gaza. Slavery done long time, my youth, but me love jewelry. How I do that? Alright. Oh yeah. When my rifle beat, why have you drop down? Shell down in ends and cut left them, now be till the cops come. Roll up a high grade weed, smoke and cool down. Them boy them guy in my class, cause cool down.
What?
Me no play fist fight like them have to is not right. What? So you why are them fast is a thing I like. Them can't test, them nobody enough. Boy them want to war, me tell them hurry up. You no run bank on your road, that me no take check. All when I in the station, yeah, we a make step.
Me no make baby step. Before we make step, we have to make sure I say.
Me feel so weak, make me get fantastic. Shine, hey black girl, hey white girl, bleach out girl. How you feeling? Everybody feel like Santa to the beach feel.
Like Galaba, I people my look one boy, you know, say me a mad man, you know. Give me up. But a split come me want get high, but
the target, the moon not the target. Smoke up in the room, so
no bad. You see when we high? I won't leave a thing out there high. I won't high get out. That's all. Watch out now. You say, I can't get Pegasus. Baby, this a me want you do. Long till it get like banana. Whoa. Yeah, me no man. Alright, no. Alright. She just couldn't keep it to herself. I say my girl, use them out too much, you know, cause here one now. Our friend link me, brother.
No, bigger one thing, I want to find out to me. I should tell her though.
You know what? Thing about it, the morning, she will not put on bed. And I bet it's a shot at the position from the I'm sad, they can't come over there. So was it?
Full of girl like netball, end up the baby, get up on the next car. So people want to tired, they not hear that. Nah, this stuff, baby, me wouldn't play that. It is she don't know when she up on the phone, stay sit down. I feel up Simone, Kings and a please call me on a cheap phone. Tasha Gibbs and a BB says she reach home. Girl in a wrist and girl a keystone. To the name Sunday, so me give you the T-bone. We never friend fish, but a sea stone. But a boy never do a come on a deal cone. Me full up a woman like me name free zone. Some of them brand new, some of them are pre-owned.
You are
beauty in the dark, we're wild in the dark. Egg up, look, with the ball and next call. Egg up, look, with the ball and next call. Egg up, look, with the ball and next call.
Yo, you see after me tell her I say me up on the next call. So me tell her I say me up on the next call. Yo, me even not talk, me even not loud up that one. You have to make sure you know straight up, so yo, me up on the next call with money. You understand? Me not have time to waste. You see me?
Me bang book, you feel like Miss Kitty. Wallet big like Macatuti.
Guy, you see if you not have the money, them girl don't want to see you. Some of them, big up your real man. Them.
Me come from in a sun city. Money me a look Gaza, no look pity.
What?
Me bang book, you feel like Miss Kitty. Wallet big like Macatuti. Me come from in a
And she say, yo, why you love money, so? Why you love money, so? She say, oh, you love money, so? Me say, me a chef. And food no come cheap. So, here why? She say, Agent, what you know about? What you know about? Me say, my girl, go easy. Man, a hot chef in the place. What you hear about? Guess why? Guess why I'm a hot chef? Because I come from hungry days, so I know about the whole of the thing. Them here, what going on, man?
We know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing on waist, nothing on dash way.
What? My girl, make you know this straight up, so you know about the sufferation. You see me? The whole thing. And a sardine, mackerel, chicken foot, chicken neck, and chicken back make me turn the hot chef I am right now. And I say, you know the whole of them things, and she say, oh, you love money, sir? And I say, my girl, what happened to you?
Money me a look away you live. Money me a look away you live. Money me a look away you live. Money me a look away you live.
Alright, no?
Money me a look away you live. Money me a look away you live.
You want to? You see, after me go get the money, me say, alright, baby, your turn again.
Me make you look.
Got me off the money now, you know?
Me make you feel nice, make me feel nice.
Yeah, man.
Me make you look great, make me feel great. Never get a bit. Come yo, turn round, hang down, take your dead now. Don't touch me, move your one. Walk me a walk, see the bridge just begun. Don't touch me, move your one. Me got a boat your belly, hold me fun. Don't touch this, move your one.
You think me I go know it? You think me I go through all of them sufferation there? And become a hot chef and work my money so hard and give you? And you've fat and fall for mongoose? You're joking.
Don't touch me, move your one. Tell a big your face a figure England. Nobody now be a yaki. You want the Brazilian broker. Which the can party meet me at the me if you want you happy. Maybe mind you like a goal you carry. If you catch a vehicle you don't have to say sorry.
I mean now like the situation nice and she great. I have to say Jano. I have to say Jano baby.
I feel nice. Everybody moving.
Oh God.
Yeah, me like the way you do it.
Oh God.
Every selector, respect, we are.
Me say baby, me not gonna right now.
So play on and keep the people moving.
Baby!
This is where my life belongs.
What?
Everybody talking now.
Oh God no. Oh God no.
Me and you are so in love.
You and I there at the party. You know, son and boy can't this woman, you know. Me saw a little idiot come up on the car and I come, baby. And he don't know about me suffering days. I mean, I say, yo, but yo. Yeah, me I say, man. Me I tell you, say, yo, after Monday at the party, me and my girl, you know. I don't know, some man go through the roughest at times, you know. And the money make no, me and my girl out. And me I say, baby, this is where my life belong. And me a full joy myself. Some man see me a cuddle up with no man and feel say, yo, a play, running things. So me I say, brother. Me I say, yo, boy, you don't figure easy to you know, you.
Well, say about the this, you kind of this like a CD. You could never have it in your mind unless you see a chance say yes and your time.
Why? You know hear my name? Hot chef.
You see a chance say yes. Up here round with fire. Ram with the Gaza, you gonna get fire. Ram with the Gaza, you gonna get fire.
We gonna roll up my car tire. What? I say, boy, I need to know themselves, because they see my woman a cuddle and feel say you are mushy something. Hey, boy, go easy, you know. You understand? I know why my bad in the street, so. They might wonder, yo, say, how we do it? How we overcome the sufferation? How we let them nice girl, like how we can't bad them up? I say, one thing, man, one thing mommy teach me, you know, never left the Almighty, you understand? You see me? Yeah, man. They ask me why I'm so great, why I'm do what I do.
Determination and me title from your lazy, you no like you will look strength out when the strength is inside you. So I know the time for your idol.
Make them know straight enough, fam. And we kind of slow down your vibes a little bit because make them know say, yo, when they see me out here, I do the thing and determined, man, determined, you see me? And why am I determined? I not just know me determined for a long time and determined, you understand? Yeah, man. I not just know we determined, you know. You see me? We determined from when? You have to be determined from them time if you want all of them things, you know. And more too.
So me say pull up your pants and put it on your waist and tuck in your shirt and don't bleach your face.
Oh.
In my days that me no meditate. So
you feel a joke?
If the test me no procrastinate. Early to school me no have time for late. Sit down in an exam and my degrade. Me no get nothing less than 98. When school over me never avoid the gate. School youth turn up and too tight. This a no dancing dynamite. Make your mother proud, you no see how she fight. Don't be a done said, be a top flight. You no see me intelligent, you no see me bright. Ha! Eloquence in my speech is a favorite side.
Ask me teacher in a me old school. Let me tell you, say me brain higher than a satellite.
Pull up your pants and put it on your waist and tuck in your shirt and don't bleach your face. In my days that me a meditate. So me study for the test, me no procrastinate. Early to school, me no have time for late. Sit down in an exam, am I the great? Me no get nothing less than 98. When school over, me never avoid the gate.
When I enjoy that little vibe there a while ago. No, me that enjoy it too, man. But guess what? Me left the camera at home, you know. And on my phone, me that use a record my fam. So the look of one vibe, chop. And speaking of chop, make me know if you think shot. And make me know if you make some more playlist videos, car playlist, I make you know what they in my car, you see me? Because I say I have the latest thing, but I got some thing there and everybody know that thing, you see me? And I know where I hide, you know. And we proud that thing. And when I say Gaza, because everybody say Gaza. We say Gaza because of VYBZ KARTEL motivate me as a young youth. I got high school for me know say youth, you can be yourself and still be great. You see me? Because my teacher them used to make your thing look like say, oh, you have to have the whole of your backpack them and all of them thing there. For be an educated youth, I say VYBZ KARTEL come as a gangster in the street. And the man they touch an interview, you know. Not even peanut no shell, so you know, the man they well intellectual and just deal with them thing they really say. I say, John, no, me feel like VYBZ KARTEL are the older me. Where me just want to be myself, but make people know some man no done said boy yeah. A man go to school and man do the right thing, so I have to big up the teacher. Yeah man, if you check out my career, be a teacher. I have other artists and my thing, but 98% of my playlist are VYBZ KARTEL. I mean, I talk about Cartel from the early 2000s. You see me? Mid 2000 and right now in 2019. We have every single track you can think of. VYBZ KARTEL. You see me? So big up the teacher upon that one. You see me I say? And big up the people them. Comment below and let me know. Remember last night on the live, you know, I tell you, you know. Say yo, told me love the music. If somebody could write something next to me, would I go there, go DJ and travel the world and perform. I understand. Because some love it thing, you see. I can talk to up on the camera, I can do my thing, and I can encourage people. I just can't construct them lyrics they like that. But if you come to the test, we deal with the thing they really say, man. So yo, comment below and let me know if you like this. As I say, at the gym me that go, but so things work more wild. Life change, I have to just work with the flow, you see me? But yeah, but just know so me in my vehicle a mad thing. Don't be surprised if you see Jamaica come do something in the arts or music, because them man they love the music, not just through me, but through all this beatbox and all of them things there with Jamaica, you see me? So right now, me not go bother going to the gym video until tomorrow Saturday when I know say Raja free up and we can go to the gym and do the thing. But today Friday, man, Friday the 13th, you see me? So the people them wanna be safe out there, because I know say they have a little stigma around that date of Friday the 13th, Chucky business, you see me? Speaking of Friday the 13th, I made a video. When me tell you say that video they shot. But I know say Jamaican people not doing the dopey business. That's why I don't watch that video. But big one thing. Please me a big one. Go on and forget to watch the video. When you don't watch the video, I want to know comment say me there because of your playlist and you tell me if you come here. Just write something like that. Say there because I'm a vlog number 13. You see me? So go on and go watch it. It is titled it's a Halloween one. So check it. I think he posted in November. So check it out. We have one Halloween picture. I'm a Halloween vlog with me and Jamir, Alice and Frankie. You see me? So go and go check out that video there. Underrated video. People them not watch it because you say Jamaicans in a dopey thing. But we have to just do the right thing and just Jamir born in Canada, so a film thing this. So we can't take that away from him, you see me? Because nobody not take Jamaica out away when we the overseas. You know that thing they go about. With that said, go and go watch a video there. Comment below and make me know if you don't want to see me go hard for my playlist. Yeah man, me have DJ skills too man. Multi-talented, you know what I say? So I hate that my people. I go log out now, I go edit up that video and shut it up for you get it. Friday the 13th, vlog number 13, January. I feel good. We're keeping up with this fam. Last year, at least I say start VLOGMAS. I just is a mood person, I never in the vibe and I never started, but mommy always said nothing happened before the time. And speaking of mommy, I go give her a shout back now and I go edit that video there, I go make my breakfast and do the right thing. So big up your people, happy Friday, no flow for the love, you see me? If you're new upon the channel, just subscribe to the thing man, is it? And if you're new upon the channel, just know say I'm not just a vlogger, but I'm a chef, so check out my cooking channel, Maris Time Cooking. Furthermore, check out my website, hotchef.com. You know the thing, I'm not talking about no H-O-T, you know. I'm talking about H-A-W-T. And what that mean? Everything me have a meaning, you know. So nobody feel like me just say hot chef, so. Yeah, me say hot chef because that's how they used to come when me used to work for people. Yes, say yo, hot chef because me just move around in the kitchen and, you know, me always just nice. So both of them come in handy. And if you look for me, YouTube and my Instagram, you're going to see me have a big flame. I always create the biggest flame in the kitchen. Because I just love that something. So them say hot chef, I'm work with the name and the name they work for me. You see me? But the meaning when I gather from hot chef, you know, having a wonderful time, that are the H-A-W-T, cooking healthy / hearty edible food. So the chef. You see me? So I just hit that hot chef. So everything we do have a meaning. Just like I want to see my name Gump TV. And I just want, you say, what kind of name that? God Agent Morris Provider / Protector. Don't get the thing twisted. So when you see me say hot chef, you have multiple meanings behind it. And you have real meanings behind it. You see me? As I say, get the name hot chef from people where I say, yo, I be a fire me creating in the kitchen and me cook nice and me just ever look nice. So me hot and me cook hot. You see me? And then now me say, oh, hot chef. First at H-O-T, me have it and I said, no man. I try to put a meaning because every name I give myself, if Jamir name have a meaning. Jamir name means Jesus always have me in everlasting. Everlasting righteousness. Everlasting is one word. You see me? So Jamir. Jesus always have me in everlasting righteousness. That's his name. And I came up with every single syllable. And just know so at that moment my son name have a meaningful thing. Then me see other people name Jamir. I say, what is? Never know say other people that think like me, but I just say the thing work. Me not just do nothing by flukes. Everything me do me plan it out, especially when it comes to meaningful, lifelong stuff like this. You see me? So yeah, hot chef mean having a wonderful time, cooking, or you can say creating healthy, edible foods. You see me? And I say the thing there, hot chef. So big up the people have no flow for the love. And as I say, if you love my vibe, you know, don't forget to hit that subscribe, you know. and click the bell notification. You see me? So you can stay updated with all of the vlogs. I go see me every day for the rest of this, because guess what? A vlog must, and it's a must. Because people, if they depend on Wi-Fi, if they depend on data or data, no flow for that, because you don't know your bills have to pay, and you have to buy a credit to put on the data, and you stop and watch me for at least 5 minutes. No flow for that. We know the thing work, you see me? Hope you have a Merry Christmas, and we just out here and do the right thing, you see me? Because all of my people, them man, you see? Yeah. I'm going to log off right now because I get hungry and lightheaded. I want some food because I'm going to go to the gym later and crush it, you see me? One thing. Safe travel upon the gravel. Go and big up on yourself.